As your school's Albert administrator, it's important to track your school's usage and performance. With Albert's admin reports, you can generate reports based on various criteria, allowing you to analyze your data more flexibly and easily make data-backed decisions. In this video, we'll go over the report types available to schools with and without the Pro upgrade, as well as how to navigate the admin reports feature. Whether or not your school purchased the Pro upgrade, as an Albert admin, you can track individual teachers' usage and classroom data via the admin dashboard. To learn more about the admin dashboard, check out our admin onboarding article and video tutorial. If your school did not purchase the Pro upgrade, you now also have the ability to run school-wide student reports. To run a new student report, click on Reports from the main navigation bar at the top of your screen. Choose the school you'd like to view the student report for and click View Report. Here, you'll be able to see individual student data, including the student's name, email, how much time they've spent practicing on Albert, their overall accuracy across all attempts, and their answer breakdown. You can also filter a student report to view students who have practiced particular subjects, particular standard sets, or for various date ranges to help you compare data over time. You'll notice that without the Pro upgrade, you are not able to view school-wide data by assignment, question, or standard. To download a CSV of your student report, click Download Report in the top right corner. If your school purchased the Pro upgrade, you have additional school-wide data capabilities. To run a new report, click on Reports from the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. To view data for a particular school, click View Report. You'll first view school-wide individual student data similar to the student report available without the Pro upgrade. However, with the Pro upgrade, you have the ability to drill down and dive deeper into data for each student. For example, if I choose to drill down, I am able to see performance data for the assignments that an individual student has completed, the questions the student has answered, and their performance by standard. To return to the main report page for that school, I can follow the links back by clicking on the school name at the top of the page. With the Pro upgrade, you also have access to several other report types, each with their own drill down capabilities. You can run a school-wide assignment report, question report, and standards report. Let's take a look at a school-wide standards report. I'll begin the process by clicking on the Standards button at the top of the screen. I'm able to view school-wide performance on all standards teachers have assessed this school year. If I want to scope my data to a particular time frame, I can do so by clicking this school year and entering in my preferred date range. Similarly, I can scope my data for particular subjects or even narrow down by standard set. If I notice there's a standard students are struggling on school-wide, I can choose to click Find Questions to view additional questions aligned to that standard should I want to encourage teachers to assign additional practice. I can select Drill Down on a particular standard to first view how individual students have performed on that standard. Here, I may even drill down for each individual student to see what questions they answered that were aligned to that standard, or what assignments they completed that included that standard. To view the assignments teachers have assigned that include that standard, I'll click on the Assignments button. Once again, I could drill down into this assignment to see which questions were aligned to this standard and how students performed. Lastly, should I be interested in viewing just the questions that have been assigned aligned to this standard, I can click on the Questions button. Here, I could click View to see the question, or click Save to be prompted to save that question to a folder. I can also drill down into each question to view what assignments it was included in and how students performed on it. With the Pro upgrade, you also have access to the All Schools report, which allows you to view student, question, standard, and assignment data across all schools you are the Albert admin for. Keep in mind, if there are schools you are an admin for that have not purchased the Pro upgrade, you will only be able to access the all reports and their drill downs for the schools with the Pro upgrade, and you will not be able to access any of the all schools report. If you have any questions about how to use admin reports for data analysis, contact us at success@albert.io.